Hi everyone! Let's have what's inside my bag. So my bag is from Mosdom. Okay, so are you ready to see what's inside? Okay, here it is. First, I have here Vitress for my hair. Okay, first lippy. I have here O2O. Shade M11. Okay, so I have here also powder. Power bank, since mahilig tayo sa picture-picture, so hindi kaya ng walang power bank. So just in case mag battery low or what, so I have here AirPod, perfume, cushion, okay, coin purse, efficacent, syempre, just in case, you know na. Okay, I have here another lippy from Nichido. It's Chill Peel, my favorite one from Nichido. Okay, so next is I have here my phone, of course. Next is fan, kasi syempre mainit, so need natin ng fan. And I have here ball pen. Another ball pen. So, just in case may susulatin tayo. Next, we have here Nichido. Another Nichido product. A brow pencil. And what else? So, I have here ATM cards. Okay, 100 bill. And coins. So, and okay, nothing more except the tag. I did not remove the tag. So, here's my bag. So, there's no compartment, but there are two pockets. One has a zipper, and the other one, okay, no zipper. So, that's it. What's inside my bag. That's it already. Bye! See you in the next vlog.